Good morning again. Welcome to Fun and Learn with Orchid School. With whom? With Miss Savera. Before learning new things, I'm going to ask you, are you enjoying at home? Are you missing your teachers? Are you missing your school? Are you learning something at home? Do let me know what kind of skills you have learned at school, or what kind of skills you have learned at home as well. Okay? And are you washing your hands again and again? And are you wearing mask while going out? You have to wear the mask because, as you know, virus is always there. Isn't it so? You have to wear the mask. You have to stay safe, stay healthy and stay at home. Now we will move on our new friend, and that is What is it? Look at me. Yes, all eyes on me. Are your ears open? Are your eyes open? Are your ears open? Good. What is this sound? Up. Roly poly, roly poly, 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 down. Roly poly, big. Roly poly, small. Roly poly, fast. Roly poly, slow. So, up. The boy is up on the slide. Up. You like to play on the slides? Do you have a slide at home? Okay, that means you are enjoying at home a lot. Okay, under. The dog is under the slide. See? Under. The boy is up and the dog is under. Under. Under means नीचे. Okay? किसी चीज के नीचे. Okay? Under. Wow. Ugly. Oh. This man is ugly. Isn't it so? Okay. Umbrella. When do we use umbrella? Yes, when it's raining outside, we use umbrellas. Rain, go away. Come again another day. Little children want to play. Rain, go away. Rain, go away. Unhappy. 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 The girl is unhappy. Are you unhappy? Yes, you must be. You're not going to school. You're missing your teachers. You're missing your homework, classwork, school activities. You are unhappy. But you need to be happy and sing a song with me. Come on, sing a song with me. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, say hurrah! Yay, hurrah! If you're happy and you know it, say hurrah! Hurrah! If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, say hurrah! Hurrah! Okay, the girl is unhappy because she's not going to school. She's at home, she's getting bored. But we are happy because we are with Miss Savera. We are learning with the episodes of Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. Isn't it? Really? You are missing me now? Okay, let's move on. Where? Oh, I'm unhappy. You know why? Because today we are going to discuss December, last month of the year. 12th month of the year. Whose birthday comes in December? Yours, 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 yours. Okay. Are you going to invite me in your birthday? December birthday? Okay, I will come to your birthday if you will invite me. Great. Now, we will spell it and we will learn the spelling of December today. But before that, we are going to revise, reinforce from January. Ready, steady and go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Let's spell it. D, E, C, E, M, B, E, R, Ber, December. And it's a 12th month of the year. Okay? Or it's quite, cold in December. December is a, cold month. Right? Now, we have learned today and we have learned months of the year as well. But one more thing we are going to learn today. What? We are going to learn our CVC words. Atwords, anwords, inwords, outwords. Now today we are going to learn upwards. Look at my lips. O, P, op. Come on, make a sound of op. O was alone in the jungle. He was getting bored. He called his friend P. P came and then they make the sound of op. Okay? They make the sound of op. Let's see and learn how they are. ठीक है? Come on. Kr, k, ir, op. K, ir, op. Crop. Look at my lips. K, ir, kr, op. Crop. Crops are जो हम fields में जाते हैं और वहाँ हम crops देखते हैं, फसलें जिसे उर्दू में we call it. तो these are crop. Crop. Okay? Now the next word is pop. 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 Pop means pop out. You have eaten popcorns? That is also pop out, na? When it goes in the machine, it pop. Okay? Pop. Pop. Top. Top. Top means पर बिल्कुल ऊपर. Top. Top. Up. Mop. Up. Mop. Do you mop at home? पोछा लगाते हैं घर का? Mop. Up. Cop. Up. Cop. Cop is a policeman. Cop is a policeman. We call cop a policeman. Okay? ठीक है? Now, we have learned a lot of things today. Isn't it so? You are learning with me. You have learned CVC words as well. It will help you in your reading. Remember this. Alright? The blending of sounds and blending of words, blending of letters, it will help you in your reading. Okay? Remember, do remember it, okay? We have learned so many sounds. Alright? Few sounds are left. Only few sounds. 2 or 3 sounds maybe. They are left. And you have learned months of the year as well. Really now? Isn't it so? Good. I hope you are learning a lot. You have learned so many sounds. You have learned days of the week, months of the year, and even you have learned CVC words. CVC words are very important. They help you in your reading. Okay? How to blend the sounds, how to blend the letters, how to form a word. They are very helpful for you. Isn't it so? And you will learn more. When? In tomorrow's episode of Fun and Learn with the Orchid School with Miss Savera. See you tomorrow with your happy faces with your open ears, with your open eyes, with your thinking mind. See you tomorrow. Bye. Allah Hafiz.